Noreen. Welcome back to my kitchen and another installment of Torani Friday. Today we're going to try and make or replicate my favorite drink from Sonic Drive-In, the Strawberry Limeade Slush. This is delicious and amazing, and I love going to Sonic for it, but sometimes you just want to make things at home, and today we're going to do that. We're going to use Torani to do it. I hope that you stick around so I can show you how this all comes together. Yes, it's another Torani Friday, and today we're going to go to Sonic because I love me a Strawberry Limeade Slush. And we can make this at home, and we're going to use some fresh ingredients. We're going to boost the flavor with some Torani lime and Torani strawberry, and it's going to be awesome. This is a great way, if you guys don't live near a Sonic, or maybe you've never been to one, they have really great slushes and really great drinks and shakes and all of that business. So that's what we're going to make today. I prefer mine in slush form, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to start off with some crushed ice. I have some in my Ninja drink blender here. We're going to use some Torani syrup. I have about a tablespoon each of lime and strawberry syrup. I have the juice of 2 limes because my limes were not very juicy. I have some fresh lime wedges for after, and I have about a half a cup of frozen strawberries that we're going to toss in here. That's just going to enrich it and make it all that more delicious. We're going to top everything off after it's finished with some lemon lime soda. You can use the type that you like the best. We're just going to get started. So let's toss in all of our liquids. Here's our ice, our lime juice, our lime and strawberry syrup. I'm going to toss in our strawberries, and I'm going to put a little bit of this, not a lot, just a little, just to get things moving. And I'm going to hit blend. All right, this is ready. Now I did have to stop a couple of times and add some lemon lime soda to this because I want it to be slushy, but the blender mixes better when there's a little more liquid in it. So if you make this like in a big blender, you can probably put all of your soda in there at one time. But this is a pretty small container, so I really wanted it to not explode on me, if you get what I'm saying. So let me grab a spoon and stir this up because this is beautiful. It's good. It's not too sweet, but you can always adjust the sweetness to your liking. It's up to you. And I'm going to add some in there. And I'm going to stir it. Now I know this probably isn't how they make their slushes at Sonic, so if you work for Sonic and you want to tell me that's not how we make them, I know that. It's okay. It's all good. It's very delicious. Like I said, it's not too sweet, and if you want it sweeter, feel free to add more strawberry syrup. It's entirely up to you. But that's how I make my own homemade version of a Sonic Strawberry Limeade. The only thing missing is like this little piece of lime that you're going to get in the top of your drink, and maybe an extra strawberry or so. So that's how I make it, and you should give it a try. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my kitchen, welcome. It's always a pleasure to have new friends visit. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and go down below next to the subscription button and hit the bell notification button, because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this installment of Torani Friday. I hope you give this Strawberry Limeade Slush a try, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.